friends, welcome to Colorful Cocktail. My name is Sandy. Today I'm going to share how to make cocktail Mai Tai. In today's video, I'm going to share how to make Mai Tai first. Then I will share the history of Mai Tai. In the end of today's video, I'm going to share today I have a photo shoot. Let's start making Mai Tai together. Fill the cocktail shaker with ice. Add 2 ounces Jamaica rum. Quarter ounce triple sec. Quarter ounce lime juice. You may also use fresh lime juice. Half ounce of rum. Quarter ounce overproof rum. Shake for 10 seconds. Prepare an old-fashioned glass. It's also called a rocks glass. Fill the glass with ice. Strain the drink into the glass. Garnish the cocktail with 2 fresh mint sprigs. Cheers.
The Mai Tai was created in 1944 by Victor Bergeron at his famed bar Trader Vic's in Emeryville, California, to take advantage of some good 16-year-old Jamaican rum he had around. Victor often said it was one of the finest drinks he'd ever concocted. When he made the drink the first time, he served it to his friends from Tahiti, Ham and Carrie Guild. After tasting the drink, Carrie raised her glass and said, "Mai Tai Roha," which means the best in Tahitian. "That's the name of the drink," replied Victor.